Whether you're setting up a birthday party or a seasonal event, Band's calendar has all the tools you need to get everyone on the same page. Let members RSVP to events. Create a post with information. Tap the More icon and select Event. When creating an event, you can enable RSVP to see who will and won't be attending. Members can RSVP for non-band members they'll be bringing. You can view members who have and haven't participated. Do you need permission slips or directions for an event day? Attach photos and files on an event for easy access. Members can view more details on an event. Keep forgetting events? Set reminders. Set event reminders to make sure members don't miss an event. Try the Band calendar's key features. Band, organize your groups.